have donated $20 of their own money. We have to match that. Do I have a match? Do I have somebody who's gonna match this $20?
Here. Don't stop at that.
I just heard a here. Where's the here? George. George is gonna match that 20.
Thank you, George.
Thank you, George. Okay, now I'm gonna make y'all feel guilty. Who wants to match this 40?
Whoa.
Derek.
40.
Got 20 from Dave.
Oh, we got 20 from Dave. So we just got that 20 matched again. Who wants to match it with another 20?
Here's 40.
Oh, we just got 40. Who wants to match again? We got a $20 match and a $40 match. Pick your choice. Oh, I got another behind me. Behind me where? Another 20. Fabulous. Thank you very much. Here, Bill, count that for me. Or somebody count that for me and tell me what we got there. A $20 match turned into I lost my count. Except for I know how many drinks I've had.
You're gonna lose that count a little bit.
4 double Grey Goose on the rocks with 2 lemon twists.
Oh!
Ooh, that $20 turned into 120, Cece.
Yeah! Yeah, baby!
Okay. No, we're not done yet.
No.
We want to add to that 120.
Yeah. Absolutely. Yes.
We want to add to that 120. The original match was 20 bucks. Who will match that 20 again? Who will match 20 again? Oh, I just heard it here. Okay, we just matched the original 20. Who will match his 20?
Here you go.
Come on, let's go into a good cause, guys.
There you go.
Oh, we just matched the 20 again. Okay, who will match his 20? We're almost, come on. Oh, we just matched another. Okay, thank you very much.
Ask them if they want breakfast in the morning.
Oh, wait a minute. Cece works tomorrow morning. Who wants breakfast tomorrow? Who wants to match another 20? Because let me tell you a little something about Cece and my Thomas. They work very closely together. If she don't like you, he don't like you either.
Fresh towels.
That was 120. Did we turn it into 200? Oh, okay. Okay, we turned it into 200, Cece. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. We turned that 20 into 220.
From the birthday.
From the birthday boy, Daniel. Happy birthday, Daniel. Hey, he paid to get naked on the Sawmill stage.
He did it.
What more could you ask for? Oh, I just saw Tana in the spotlight. Hi, Tana. Hi, Tana. You know, Tana graced us with her presence on the St. Pete Pride float. Where's Barb and Jeff? Barb?
Right there.
There's Barb. Hi, Barb. Do y'all know Barb from WPJ Jams?
Yeah!
Oh, how can you not know Barb from WPJ Jams? Oh, WPJ Jams wants to match another 20. That brings up to 240. Ooh, fabulous. Oh, she's digging deep. She's digging deep into her Coca-Cola bag that she got from the Sawmill.
Need more light?
Yeah, give her some more light. She can't see. As Jeff just lays back leisurely waiting for her to grab through her wallet. What? Yeah, we want 300. We gotta keep going.
Let's go.
We gotta keep going. We need another 6. Oh. Oh, baby, thank you.
Let's go for 400.
Okay, so that brought us to 260, correct? We need another 40 and we make 300. Come on, people. Go into a good cause. It's gonna cost you for fireworks. Guess what? Guess what? Ready? Ready? I get to say when the fireworks go off, and Dave and I have a little pact together. Uh-huh. Don't we, Dave? Yeah, Dave's sitting way over there.
Yeah, bitch.
What? I see a hand and a light. Okay, we're at, that's a 20.
There's another one. She found another.
There's from WPJ Jams, the Pride Station, broadcasting live from all the prides in the state of Florida. So what do we need? Another 20? That made the 300? But on that original, we need another 20 to make it 300, don't we? We need another $20. $20 makes that original diva contribution 300. Come on, 20 more bucks, and I'll move it along. Then we'll have fireworks.
$20?
Oh.
I want the fireworks.
You love you. Thank you. $300, CC, on that $20 investment. Love you. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's bring to the stage. Is that correct? No, we're almost there. Miss Crystal Chandelier.